Okay, I got the new part right here. This one actually came with the electrical part. You can see the other one here hanging just the way we left it, the way I left it. And let's see, here is the part number that I'm using. Came directly for 4. I was unable to get it locally, so the customer need the vehicle done today. So hey, sometimes there's no other way around it. Let me get position the camera here. So definitely gonna need both hands to do this part of the job. And if you here with me still, thank you so much. So now what are you gonna do here? I already installed the switch already. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna disconnect the old one from here. So I'm gonna press that, push back, wiggle it. Now one thing that I'm gonna do, I always like to do, make sure I'm going to compare the 2 connectors here. That we have the same number of pins, which we do. Great. Okay, perfect. Now I'm gonna go here, and the goal here is to maintain the clock spring without spinning. We don't want to damage it or anything like that. So be extra careful, be patient. We got this. And give me a second. Okay, yeah, I remember this part. That's why I didn't see it. There it is. Perfect. There it is. Now it's back in place. I hope you remember on the first part of the video, this part and this part have a place I have to slide under the clock spring right here, right? All the whole component right here. So let me show you. You see that one? It's right underneath. And here you can't see it very good like the other one because we have the electrical part, but it is right there. Okay, so there are 3 bolts that we have to put back to make sure everything stays the same. Okay, very good. Let me get Alright, so there are 2 types of bolts. The length is the same. The only thing, the head underneath, one is wider than the other one. The ones with the big, like a washer, okay, part of it, that's gonna be the ones holding the plastic together. So that way you can differentiate those from the other ones. So here we're gonna be mindful, and you gotta take your time here. That started there. I'm gonna start the other one on the top. there. And there's one more. That it goes over here. Give me a second. I swear. This thing. The other one goes over there. So keeping that aligned. Let's see if I can show you. It's gonna go right there in that hole right there. So let me find it so I can just continue with the video. Alright, so the bolt is there. The GoPro overheated. The bolt is there. And the bolt, it is right here installed. And the one on the bottom as well. Right there. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to install this little clip here. Support the harness. That's that. Now the next one is going to be right about here. The last part is going to come all the way around. And it goes right about here. Then we have to install that. Don't forget to connect it, to plug it. Excellent, right there. Then now let me see the key. I need to connect. There you go. If I did everything right, everything should work now. Gotta connect the battery. It is an 8mm. Right. Here it is working. Nice. Yes, the way where it's supposed to. Excellent. Well, I like it. I hope this helped. I hope this save you some time and money, some headache, potentially just replacing parts to see if that fixes the problem. And as usual, just get the evidence, okay? Just find the evidence. Nice. And this part, I don't think you guys need me to see how I install everything. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. You know, you can do it yourself. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel. And the last thing, God bless, do your best, forget the rest, and I will see you in the next video. Later.